One word describes Twin City Fan and Blower. More. More options, service, and flexibility. More innovation and more experience.
The focus is there. The focus is on the fans. We are the experts. We're known as the experts.
That standing can only be earned with decades of experience. Twin City Fan and Blower is the most technically advanced fan manufacturer in the industry, delivering a complete line of products for every commercial and industrial market.
And we are constantly developing and adding new products and technology to support upcoming industry.
Twin City Fan is really the only manufacturer that builds fans all the way from a light commercial fan, bathroom fan if you will, all the way up to a heavy-duty process fan. There's no other fan manufacturer in North America, or the world for that matter, that can do what we do as far as the breadth of our product line.
Among the commercial customers who turn to us for expertise: schools, hospitals, hotels, restaurants, office buildings, shopping centers, airports, sports arenas, and stadiums. To help demonstrate the scope of applications offered by Twin City Fan, a show trailer travels the country, bringing examples of the wide range of products directly to the customer. The number of industrial applications offered by Twin City Fan is virtually limitless. We provide solutions for automotive and textile industries, nuclear power, pulp and paper, petrochemical and agriculture, among many, many others.
Twin City Fan is a very personable company. They will not only sell you a fan, but they're like family.
Twin City Fan is also a leading fan supplier to HVAC companies.
We are the largest supplier of OEM fans to that industry. What our manufacturing facilities are able to do is pretty amazing.
Mass customized means you get cost efficiencies from our broad range of standard products, plus project-specific flexibility that lets you customize your order.
Sometimes we change, say for example, width of a fan wheel or the diameter of a fan impeller. Sometimes we change a few other parameters like the inlet size, outlet size to meet the customer's needs.
Because of our mass customization process, we can offer the fastest turnaround times in the industry. But being fast does not compromise quality. We pride ourselves in building it to last and getting it right the first time. We do this through vertical integration, which is the only way to control the entire manufacturing process.
Vertical integration is not only building the housings, the bases, the shafts.
Twin City Fan and Blower has invested millions in new technologies and training, all aimed at consistently creating the most reliable fans in the industry.
We continue to invest in the cutting edge or leading edge of technology, be it CNCs, lasers, robots, powder coat systems, whatever it takes.
Investments such as our powder coat paint booths at our manufacturing facilities in South Dakota. The process results in consistent and durable coverage every time.
It starts right from the design and goes all the way through manufacturing.
Our team of engineers is the most experienced in the industry. Utilizing the latest in 3D modeling, they know how to design products to meet exacting specifications. No matter the job, it begins by understanding the demands of the market.
We have the most experienced reps, so we have to listen to them. They're the front line. They're out there daily talking to customers, seeing the application, seeing what's required. We design a new product and plan for a new product development based on what we hear from our representatives.
We listen and quickly respond to the needs of our customers. From engineering to manufacturing, installation, and service, we are committed to your success.
Servicing a fan after the order is delivered is the most important aspect of our business.
Our goal is to constantly pursue new products, technologies, and efficiencies, new solutions for every commercial and industrial fan market. Simply put, you get more with Twin City Fan and Blower. Because in the end, we are not in the fan business. We are in the solutions business.